Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best HKSFC Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM, established in 1999, is a trusted global broker renowned for its innovative and user-friendly trading station platform, available across desktop, web, and mobile. Designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, the broker combines innovative tools with advanced features that make navigating the markets easier and more efficient. Beyond its platform, the broker offers comprehensive educational resources, in-depth market analysis, and responsive customer support, ensuring traders have the guidance and tools they need to make more informed decisions. Backed by a strong regulatory framework and worldwide presence, FXCM provides a secure and reliable trading environment, making it a preferred choice for traders seeking both performance and peace of mind. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to various trading strategies and preferences. Traders can access a wide selection of currency pairs, including major, minor, and exotic pairs. For those interested in indices, FXCM provides CFDs on global indices. Commodity traders can engage with CFDs on commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, and agricultural products. Additionally, the broker offers single share CFDs, allowing traders to speculate on individual stocks without owning the underlying asset. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts can trade CFDs on popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These instruments are available on the broker's proprietary trading platform, which offers advanced charting tools and seamless execution. Their flagship trading station is a proprietary platform available on web, desktop, and mobile devices. It provides advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both novice and experienced traders. FXCM also supports MetaTrader 4 as well as TradingView integration, which allows traders to analyze markets using advanced charting tools and execute trades directly from the platform. These platforms are designed to offer seamless execution, real-time market data, and a comprehensive trading experience across multiple devices. The broker offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trading needs and preferences. Their standard account provides access to popular currency pairs and CFDs with enhanced execution and no restrictions on stop and limit orders. For traders who actively engage in the markets, the Active Trader account offers tiered pricing based on trading volume, along with additional benefits such as dedicated support and advanced trading tools. These account types are designed to accommodate various trading strategies and preferences, ensuring that traders have the flexibility and support they need to succeed in the markets. FXCM offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at all levels. Their offerings include live daily webinars, such as the Morning Market Review and the Crypto Minute, providing real-time market insights. Additionally, FXCM provides a library of in-depth trading guides covering topics like Forex fundamentals, successful trading traits, and beginner share market strategies. Traders can also access free online courses, on-demand videos, and a live online classroom to enhance their trading knowledge. To further support learning, FXCM offers a free demo account for practice and the FXCM Plus platform, which include tools like trading analytics to help traders refine their strategies. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. Coming in at number 3, we have Vantage Markets. Vantage Markets, established in 2009, is a trusted global broker offering over 1,000 instruments. Traders can access the markets through a variety of trading platforms for a smooth trading experience. Vantage is known for its reliability and excellent customer support, and provides localized services to meet traders' needs, alongside tailored services to make trading easier and more effective. The broker offers access to a wide range of instruments, catering to traders of all levels. Their offerings include Forex with major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, global indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, precious metals such as gold and silver, energy commodities like crude oil and natural gas, as well as soft commodities including coffee, sugar, and cotton. Traders can also access ETFs, share CFDs from major global companies, as well as government and corporate bonds. This extensive selection allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across global markets. Vantage Markets offers a variety of trading platforms to suit different trading styles. The Vantage application allows mobile access to over 1,000 markets, while the MetaTrader platforms provide advanced charting, technical tools, and automated trading. Pro Trader, powered by TradingView, offers customizable charts and analysis, and traders can also use copy trading or demo accounts to practice and replicate successful strategies. Each platform is designed to deliver a smooth and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types to suit traders of all levels. The Cent account is ideal for beginners with small deposits, while the Standard STP account provides direct access to institutional spreads and fast execution. More experienced traders can choose the Raw ECN account for minimal spreads, or the Pro ECN account for the fastest execution and full pricing transparency. Additionally, Vantage offers a swap-free account for traders who prefer to avoid overnight swap charges. Each account is designed to provide the features and tools needed for a flexible and efficient trading experience. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of free educational tools through the Vantage Academy, designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Beginners can start with structured online courses covering the fundamentals of Forex, CFDs, and stock trading. For deeper insights, the Bloomberg ebook, Trading Places, provides expert guidance on navigating financial markets. Traders can also access webinars led by market analysts, offering real-time analysis and strategies. Additionally, educational videos, podcasts, and a glossary of trading terminology are available to enhance learning. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the dynamic world of trading. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you're a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best HKSFC Forex brokers, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best HKSFC Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.